What's up, everyone? We're back talking about MPC again, and in this case, the MPC 3 beta update. To be in particular, that's 3.4.0.92. Pay attention to that. Look into your settings and make sure that you're now updated to 3.4.0.92, which means that track mutes are back. I'm very excited about track mutes. Track mutes is just a really cool thing to have in the platform. I'm looking forward to working with that. And now I take finishing full songs more seriously on that platform. I think it's cool to have that arranger mode. There's still a lot of work there. I still want to see these blocks around the MIDI channels, but for the most part, I do like that track mutes are back. That was sort of my workflow from 2.15 and on, and now we have it in 3. So now I get the workflow that I've learned to love and I got the muscle memory for with the new interface, which enables me to do a lot more cool stuff with it. And I'm very excited about that. Now, I did come to understand that there are a couple of new features. One feature that I really like was the updated stem separation algorithm, and 2, taking your chopped tracks and making them into audio tracks. So let's first talk about the stem separation. The algorithms, as I understand, have been updated to sound better. And I guess they're going to continue to keep getting better and better so long as their updates keep coming out for the platform. So that's pretty cool. But the feature that kind of really stimulated my mind about and made me think about a lot of questions is the processing, where you can take your samples and chop them. You can chop them and then convert them into audio tracks. So you can skip bringing those chops into a drum program or a track when you're talking about the 3.0 language and take them into audio tracks, which are synced. I think you can warp them or not warp them, something like that. But now you can take those chops and put them in the audio channel. Just another way to do the workflow. And I think that's really cool to be able to do that. There's a lot of new features that I like on there. Maybe not too much. Let me not get too ahead of myself, but I do enjoy the platform. It's gotten me back to working on my MPC3 workbench, and makes me want to incorporate more hardware synthesizers right with it and to make more tracks. So I think it's a really cool update. There's not really a whole lot more other than that. There's not, I could demonstrate that, and I probably will in other videos, but I just want to get straight to the point with this one because I'm excited about it, and I still want to have a little bit more hands-on time about it before I start forming more opinions about it. But I guess I could boil it down to 3 things. 1, track mutes are back. Good job. Stem separation's been improved. That's awesome. And then feature number 3, chopping your samples, moving them to audio channels. That's also cool as well. I really like that interface. It's clean, it's intuitive. I still have to develop my muscle memory with it a little bit, but I think it's a cool thing. So let me know what you think about the new updates. Have you downloaded it for yourself? Now that it's public. And that's one final thing I want to say before I get off of here. I'm just glad everybody has access to it and people can see for themselves and enjoy it, and we can have more conversations about this platform. I'm really excited about that. And I'm interested in hearing what your experience is. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. I'm Dilio. You're watching the Dilio TTK YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel. Leave your comment. Let's go. Look forward to hearing you. I'll see you later. Peace out.